Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're just joining us, duh, it's about time. Where have you been? Anyways, now that you're here, thank you for joining us. And if you're an all-timer family, thank you for coming back to watch another video. Now, before we get into this video, please click your subscribe button if you're yet to, and like this video. Today, we're going to be doing something interesting. Ignore the packaging, ignore the nylon. We're not like this. We're going to be unboxing this package. I got this yesterday, but I've been so lazy to unbox. Plus, I got this on pre-order and they just came in like yesterday. We're gonna be unboxing a couple of things that I got. And while we're unboxing, we're going to get to know a little bit about Khaleesha, her likes and her dislikes. So let's get into this video. Oh, I'm super excited. First things we have here, I got this hot comb on pre-order. I've been wanting one for a long time. I kind of like just, you know what, get everything you need. You have this money, buy it before you spend it again. I'm like that. This is what it looks like. I've been wanting one for the longest of time, and I'm super excited that it came. This electrical goods came a bit later after the other goods came in, so I just had to be very patient because I'm very patient. Oh, see, you learned one thing about me. I'm very patient. Who else loves bubble wrap? Like, who loves to like just... I love it. It reminds me of my childhood, and I'm such a baby. But yeah, this is the first thing I got from pre-order, and something you learned about me. I'm very patient. Speaking of patience, a couple of people have been asking me how long you've been single, especially because of my last YouTube video. I've been single 2 years and 4 months, and it's crazy because it's not like I've not been getting suitors and everything, but like I said, I'm very patient. I like to take my time. I do not like to rush into anything at all. So I've been taking my time to heal properly so I don't go into another relationship being all messed up. I hope that makes sense to you. Guasha. For those of you that follow me on TikTok and Instagram, if you're yet to, you probably should. You will know that I'm such a skincare girly, or at least I'm trying to be a skincare girly, you know. So if you are a skincare brand, makeup brand, clothing brand, and you need someone to create content around your product, I'm that girl. Make sure you reach out to me once you're done watching this video. You send me a product and I create content for you. I'm into UGC. A user-generated content creator. It helps reduce puffy eyes, helps reduce dark circles and inflammation. Whilst we're unboxing this, another question that I get a lot. Okay, so this is it. It's supposed to like help massage your face and, you know, under your eyes. I can't wait to get into this, you guys. Like, look at it. This is what it comes in. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. Another thing that you do not know about me is what I do for work. I don't like the sound of that, but yes, I am a content creator. I'm a videographer. I'm an editor. I edit videos. I shoot and edit videos. I film videos for different clients, different brands, whatever it is. I also act. Yes, I have acted a couple of times. I'm an actor. I'm a vlogger, which is exactly what I'm doing now. I'm a vlogger. I'm a model. Yes, I'm a vixen. I have been on set for various music videos. So yeah, you can click on the link in my bio to reach out to me if you want me to model or, you know, whatever. I'm also a voiceover artist. I'm pretty much into everything entertainment. I throw parties once in a while. I just like, you know, making people happy, gathering people together, all of that good stuff. It's just so much fun. So yeah, that's pretty much what I do. We have this gimbal slash selfie stick. I wouldn't even call it a gimbal, actually. It's just pretty much a selfie stick. This is it. I have not used it yet. I do not even know how it works. I got it on pre-order for I think $6.5 with the shipping fee included. Oh yes, it has a shutter here. I hope you can see me well. I'm super excited because the company I used to work for provided all this filming equipment for me. However, I stopped working with them February, so I have had to buy my own equipment gradually by myself. I procrastinate a lot. I do not do my assignment research until like the deadline. I really procrastinate a lot. Another thing you guys don't know about me is that I'm a graduate. Yes, it's crazy. Not many people know that I schooled or what I studied or that I'm a graduate, but I am. I studied theater and media arts. Yeah, I studied theater and media arts from Ekiti State University, 2026-2020. Yeah, but I graduated 2021. because of the whole 2020 COVID strike, all of that. So I finished school 2021 and I left. You know, when you finished your last paper and then the next day, I don't know if I waited for the next day, but I packed my bags and I left. What have I been doing since then? I've been freelancing, I've been acting, I've been into the entertainment space, I've been making connections, I've been working my ass off, I've been paying my dues, I've been doing all of that. Do I regret not going back immediately? Yes. But I guess it is what it is. My mom has been on my neck about serving. So I might just do that this year. I don't know yet. No pressure. But leaving school 2021 and not been back for 2022, 2023, it's pretty much like 3 years since I've been back to that school. And well, I guess I don't know what this year holds for me. I've been pretty much been working because you have responsibilities, you have to pay the dues and necessary dues and whatnot. So would I go back to school to get my certificate and probably further? I do not know. But that's pretty much me. We have this face mist. I've wanted one for the longest. Finally got it on pre-order. It comes with its own charger. I got this because of my skincare product. So this way you just open up and put your toner here, maybe with a little bit of water. When your face feels dry, or maybe you just finished washing your face, put your toner here, close it up, and then you press this button, and then it just it comes out like that, like you're spraying, but you're not spraying. This is good. This is very good. I will be making good use of this. I don't like people that lie, people that are dishonest. I do not like that. I don't like people that when they have mood swings, they make sure it affects everyone around you. I really do not like that. I really do not like that. As friends, I feel like we should always be able to communicate. If I offend you, if I hurt your feelings, you should always be able to communicate with me. Or if you feel like acting up and trying to hurt me back to suit you, I don't understand it, but it is what it is. It's something else that I do not like. Another thing that I got is this wristwatch. I think I got it for 5,000 naira on pre-order. I can't remember. It's a leather oh my god, and it's like color brown. This is it. You know why I got this watch? My mom used to have one of these in her 60 years. It's still in the house, to be very honest, and all this place is gold. So she used to have one of these leather straps, and I was always fascinated by it, and I got mine. It gives you that mature feel. I love it, and I would be wearing this a lot, or I'll try not to wear it a lot. But next up, I think this came as a gift from the girl that I bought this whole pre-order thing from. If you buy products worth a certain amount and above, maybe 50k, maybe 30k, you get free gifts. I got this in my package, and I'm sure I didn't place order for this. So it's mine or she mixed up my order with someone else, but I'm pretty sure it's a gift. Same as this. This came as a gift as well. It is like a comb and brush thingy. It has the brush here. You just have to push it out a bit. Perfect. I love it. Thank you so much for the gift. Khaleesha is a foodie that eats a lot but prays not to get fat. It is crazy. I love to eat. I love the idea of eating. When I'm stressed, I eat. When I'm unhappy, I eat. When I'm happy, I eat. I just want to put everything in my mouth. It's not a problem. It's not an addiction. It's just, I love good food. I appreciate good food. I just like food. Is it crazy that I love eating, but I'm willing to sacrifice certain things for my health? Take your probiotics, go to the gym, work out. And I'm trying to take that advice. I'm trying to go to the gym. I know, I'm trying. I got this as well. It's a jewelry. I don't have hand jewelries, and it seems weird that I just don't take it as a necessity. It's not like a very important thing for me to own in my life, but I'm trying to be serious. I'm trying to be a bit more girly now. I'm sort of like a tomboy, so I'm trying to like dial it down and be in the middle. It's a gold bracelet and it's so pretty. Oh my god, this is the second. Oh my god, it's 4. Can you guys see it? I just hope it lasts actually, and I hope I know how to maintain and use it well. I like it. I like it. I told you, do not judge the bag. I do have good stuffs in here. So got this rings. See, I'm trying to be intentional. I think the next set of things that I'm going to get are the things that I do not have. I don't have any heels. I mean, the ones I have are pretty much outdated. I bought them when I was doing this whole pageant nonsense. I called it nonsense because they rigged me. I was supposed to win and then they played me fast one. But these are the rings. I'm not a huge fan of gold. Is that weird? I'm still growing. I'm not even trying to lie. I'm pretty much still growing. I'm like a younger, just trying to explore and live life. And I know so many people have questions like, how old are you? How old are you not? But I'm so young. Can you see it? I love it. I like it. It's a bit tight, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna like put them in different fingers. I have good taste, I think. You guys are getting to know me. Oh my god, guys, we're almost done with this package. I feel like I haven't spoken with you guys in like a hot minute, or I haven't related with you guys, or I've not connected with you guys, you know. But I went off last year for like a whole year, and I want to apologize for that. Like, I shouldn't have just left you guys, but I'm back now and I'm trying to take YouTube seriously. And I hope you guys also stick with me because it's very important. I'm making all this for you guys as much as it's for me. You know, it's my own content, it's my life. This is me putting out my lifestyle content on here. As much as it's for me, it's also for you guys as well. And I would appreciate the support. So a little like, a little comment, it goes a long way, especially the likes and comments. It makes me feel seen. It makes me feel like, you know what, I'm doing it because I am doing it. I'm trying to be intentional about my skincare, girls. You guys know skincare is expensive and important. Like, it's very important. So I got skincare max. If you want to get yours, they're available from me. One is 800 naira, but if you're buying five, that is 3,500 instead of 4,000 naira. Available for delivery anywhere. Get your skincare, guys. Protect your skin. Look, if you're light skinned and you want to get like a face mask for light skinned people, that would help you moisturize your face and give your face the vitamins and the nutrients that you want. I'm your girl. Last but not the least, what they say about girls on glasses with lip gloss, the match made from heaven. Yeah, always wanted this because they're anti-blue ray thinking. These are the glasses that protect you from, especially those of you that focus so much on your phone, on your laptop. It just helps you block out the light. Let me know what you guys think. This is it. All right, I think we're done, and I think I should wrap up this video. If you watched to the very end, thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to drop in a comment. Let me know what you think. If you want to know more about me, if you have specific questions that you want me to answer, because pretty much I was just going with my head on this thing. I didn't have like a proper direction. But if you have questions, drop a comment in the comment section, like my video, guys, and read my description. I always drop something for you guys on there. Thank you for watching. Bye.